Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. No idea what's in here, we're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down in the description. And please, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I really thought I'd miss those. At metal_complex. Alright, that didn't work out the way I thought. Oops. Anyways, let's see here. Why do people like to watch people throw stuff? So, like, as soon as I started doing that, people were like, and I did it once, and people were like, you know, that's funny. I did it again, and people were like, please don't stop doing that. Like, do you guys come here for the knives, or do you come here to watch me throw a leather card onto a cardboard surface, right? I don't know. Maybe it's both. Alright, got some packing materials. And in here, oh, we got some stickers. Hang on now. There we go. Another sticker. That's cool. Oh, and a note. Good. My notes are my favorite thing in the whole world. Oops. Okay, hang on. We're good. Master unfolder of notes. Here we go. Metal Complex. I've been watching your channel for a while now, and I really look forward to seeing each new video. Saw your list and figured I would send out a couple of knives to check out. I could not find the box for the one knife, but I threw it in there anyway. That's okay. Keep doing what you do. We all enjoy it. Feel free to carry the knives, and let us know what you think. Thank you. Below are my social media tags. If you check them out and see anything else you would like me to send your way, let me know. Okay. I will do that. Let me get his Instagram and his YouTube and everything right there so you guys can see it. Here you go. Knife Culture USA. There you go. That's the KC. I thought maybe it was Kansas City. I was like, oh! But that's okay. Knife Culture. Yeah, cool. I like your stickers. All right, let's see here. Oh, boy. Spyderco. Apparently there are two knives in here. So, oh, okay. What do we have? Wait a second. What is this? I mean, I know it's the Pilar or Pilar, but... Oh, wait! It's the slip joints! I was like, what's... I've already looked at this, but it's the slip joint. Okay. Alright, neato. Tip down only. Well, pocket clip position, as far as my preferences go, are straight up poo-poo town. But... I don't know what it is about knives that are... See, it's not like a traditional slip joint. It's got the secondary detent up here. See? Click. So there's no mid-stop, but that's fine. And then click. So, obviously, only a knife that you can use like this. I want to put my thumb up here, but you can't, right? Which kind of... If I'm going to choke up, I'm probably going to have my thumb up here, right? Because back here, it kind of feels odd. So you can use it, but you have to keep all the pressure on the blade because of the type of knife that it is. However, because of the length of the blade and the fact that there's no locking mechanism, this knife absolutely has a place in this world, considering we have areas of the world where one or both of those things make certain knives restricted. So I can understand why. I do like the look of this, right? I think it's neat. You can absolutely use that secondary detent to kick it back down into place so it still has fidget factor. If you guys don't know what I'm doing, I'm pushing, you know, slightly against the spine right above the head of the scales here. And I'm trying to create just enough tension to get that detent ball to break, and it snaps back into place. So that's kind of cool. I appreciate that. Can you? Yeah, you can totally. Yeah, some people are going to like that, right? It's got a kind of a unique type of fidget factor. And finally, have I unboxed this? I can't remember. I legitimately cannot remember. Right directly to my right are like 40 knives that I've unboxed. This is the Spyderco Tenacious in S35VN. Where does it say? Yeah, right there. Or it's the Tenacious Lightweight in S35VN, right? Depending on who you are, that might be a great deal or it might be a terrible deal. I don't know that I think I'm a little surprised at the price, but not, you know. We've got a design that's meant as an entry-level Spyderco. This is made in China, right? It's got FRN scales, right? This is the Tenacious has always been kind of the entry-level $50 Spyderco. And they, you know, somewhat recently came out with the lightweight version, which is the FRN scales, and I don't think it's really that much lighter than the G10 version. And then they decided to put S35VN on it, right? Making it a somewhat reasonably priced S35. Here's the thing. 2 years ago, or a year ago even, people have been like, oh my gosh, right? But now we see S35VN in the sub $100 territory. What does this thing come in at? Like $100 on the dot? I don't know. We're going to talk about it for sure, because I've got some other entry-level Spydercos over here. Man, this is going to be a freaking Spyderco heavy couple of months, right? Bear with me. Whenever you're seeing this, I'll tell you guys right now. Let me tell you how far ahead I am on recording. By the time you guys see this, it will have been 3 weeks since I actually recorded this video. That's how far ahead I am on pre-recording my content. Why do I do that? Because I look at a bajillion knives and I have set this pace of 2 uploads a day. It would be dangerous to try to upload on the day, right? I have to keep this, I got to keep it way ahead of where I am, right? So, I'm sure a lot of you have been watching my channel going, why are you covering stuff that came out at Blade Show? I probably am, right? So the me that's talking right now is from 3.5 weeks ago. The me that's actually sitting at my house looking at knives at the same time that you're seeing this video is most likely looking at stuff that was sent by viewers that pick stuff up from Blade Show or other companies, right? So I probably am. A good place to check out what I'm currently physically looking at, right, is of course my Instagram or my live streams, which I definitely show off current stuff right in the moment on live streams, right? So those are Saturday nights at 9 o'clock Central Standard Time, usually. Anyways, I appreciate this. Thank you very much, Scott, for sending this in. Make sure that you check out all of his different social media accounts right there. There we go. That's going to be pretty much it today, guys. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.